Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach selling Pi on an exchange like Huobi. First, it's crucial to ensure your Pi network account has completed its Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification. This is a fundamental step for any legitimate cryptocurrency transaction. You'll also need to set up and secure your Pi wallet using the official Pi browser. Remember, actual Pi coin trading on major exchanges is contingent upon the Pi network's transition to its open mainnet phase. Next, you would register and complete identity verification on a trusted cryptocurrency exchange, such as Huobi. This typically involves providing personal details and documents. It's important to note that direct deposits of actual Pi coins from your Pi wallet to an exchange are not currently possible. Any Pi listings you might see on exchanges are for IOU tokens, which are speculative and not the real Pi coin from the Pi network. Once the open mainnet is live and real Pi coins are officially tradable, you would navigate to the spot trading section on the exchange. Look for the Pi versus US trading pair. You can then choose to place a market order to sell immediately at the current price or a limit order to sell at a specific price you set. Enter the quantity of Pi you want to sell and carefully review all transaction details before confirming your order. After successfully selling your Pi, your funds will typically be in a stable coin like USD. You can then convert this into your desired fiat currency, such as US dollars or another cryptocurrency. Proceed to initiate a withdrawal request to your verified bank account or an external crypto wallet. Always double-check the exchange's withdrawal limits and any applicable transaction fees to ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.